This right here is a DIO battery. Okay? I've had it for 2 years. It is what's called a gel coat battery. You can buy a regular battery for $19.95 made in China that will last you about, it'll last you about 4 or 5 years or 2 weeks, whichever comes first. Back in the day, you could get a 20-year-old battery, take the little caps off the top, pour some water in it, and it would work even if it was dry. Now they have new battery rules. You want to spend $70 to $80 on a decent battery. This is a true gel from Bike Bandit. That's what you want to do. You don't want to buy some cheap ass one because it will fail on you. That's the tip of the day. Spend the money on a decent battery. We're not talking about the most powerful battery. What we're talking about is a quality battery that after it sits for 1 or 2 winters, it's going to fire back up and not be dead. Alright, that's the battery tip of the day. Now I'm going to clean this, and I may even put this piece on here. Oh, another small tip of the day. If you are going to use duct tape to put your pieces on, use Gorilla duct tape. Okay, it costs more money, but it's worth it. Back in the day, duct tape was actually fabric with glue on it. Now all it is paper with, I don't know what they put it in. It's bullshit. Okay, duct tape, you could have hogtied an elephant and they couldn't get out of it back in the day. Now it's just junk. So buy quality duct tape. That's black Gorilla tape. All right, that's in my tip of the day. I'm going to clean this.